Okay, ladies, I haven't done a dating profile video in a while, and I'm changing that today. And I'm not even going to act like this is a dating tips and tricks video. This is a cautionary tale of why women just need to exit all dating profile apps. Just exit the dating apps. These people are insufferable and irredeemable. Yeah, just whew, that is your blanket trigger warning. There will be a lot of dust. If you have some goggles, put them on. Ooh, y'all, I had to put my sunglasses on for this compilation. This is Steve. Steve says, "Hey, sexy ladies, I'm going to have to keep it a bean. Some of y'all females going through it and try to act like you don't need or want a good, decent man. Well, keep swiping left and die alone because I'm not here to save none of you. Have your stuff together if you reach out to me." That is what Steve, who's 44 and a decent man, had to say. And this is why I had to put on my glasses, because you need to see Steve. I present to you Steve, 44, the decent man, and the bar is in hell if this is the decent man. And if you are faced with dying alone or being with Steve, ladies, what do you choose? Ladies, what do you choose? Okay, now we have Peach Licking 29. If you're not looking at the video, this will be the time where you look and see that his name is not actually Peach Licking, but it says this. So this is Peach Licking 29. He says, "I'm yawning on you all. I do not take y'all serious. You hit my inbox, you speak, and that's it. What was the point of you speaking? Just say you're not interested. It's that simple. Play with you, cat, not me. But I am looking for a relationship, though. I'm trying to get married. I want to marry my best friend. I want to be in love so bad. But now of day, it's a bill to try to be in lover." He went all cap locks on y'all. But now of day, it's a bill to try to be in lover. This poor man. And this bio is so terrible. Where is the chat GPT to help these people? Okay, let's see what Peach Licking 29 looks like. This is literally him, y'all. This person types that he is 29, but look at his face. He has lived a hard life to not even yet be 30. This is a very, very challenged face with these little whiskers of a beard, but he is upset because y'all not even talking. He is trying to marry his best friend, and y'all not even saying anything when you get in his inbox. Do better. Okay, I'm just going to flat out say this. I'm just going to show you this next person's picture. I'm not even going to cover his face. This is your trigger warning. What is about to come? You are going to jump back from your screen. This is Thumper, y'all. Thumper is out of New Jersey. So if you're in the area, ladies, yeah, there you go. He says, "When I'm with my partner, I enjoy." Okay, so some of this is covered. He says, "Movie and cuddles while being 420 friendly." Looking at his face, he looks like he likes something a little bit harder than the 420. I'm just saying. He looks like he indulges in something else. But he is 420 friendly. He likes cooking a nice meal together while blanking each other being. So, what is the while blanking? What else do you think that Thumper likes to do with his partner while blanking each other being? Fill in the blank for Thumper. And what do you think that Thumper might enjoy that's a little bit stronger than 420? I am thinking, but I don't really know all of the names. I'm sure you guys know the names of the things that people like Thumper enjoy. Type it in the comments. Okay, now we have Brendan, who's 35. His profile says, "Want to go out on a date, see where it goes, positive vibes only, real women only." Gotta love the all caps. He's in Chicago, and in his profile picture, you can see right here that he is flipping the bird. Gotta love that for a profile picture. Here's his whole face. This is Brendan out of Chicago, 35. He has kids. So Jeremiah sent a message to this woman on a dating app asking if she wanted to make passionate love. If you look at the screen, that is not what he said. He says, "Do you want to F?" He says this to a woman on a dating app that he obviously doesn't know because this is a dating app. He says, "Do you want to F?" All right, he is in Indiana. He doesn't smoke, doesn't have kids. It says that he has a grad school degree. Are you guys ready to meet Jeremiah, who's 44? He put this picture on a dating app saying, "Do you want to make passionate love?" And I am so confused as to where is Oshun with her Mirrors for Men campaign, because WTF, this is scary. The next picture that you're going to see, it smells funny. What scent do you smell looking at this picture? This person, Daniel, who's 36, that is a hard 36. But this is Daniel, who's 36, says he's looking for short term and open to long. He's just looking for peace. That's all. He's just looking for peace. And I do not get peace with this hair that is wrapped up in this towel. I am so baffled and my flabbert is gasted. I am upset and my nose is throbbing at the sight of this picture. I don't think that that's how it works, but that is what's going on. All right, let's move on to this man. He is Jamaican born and raised photographer, chef, and social media manager. Ladies, does that fit into what you're looking for? Looking for a good time, good people, and good vibes. So shoot your shot, ladies. Road trips are a must. No drama, no games, no complication. Here to date for something long term, but fun. Visitors welcome. I'm a pretty good tour guide. Once you have respect and a sense of adventure, we'll be fine. Must like pets. I have a cat and a dog. Also 420 friendly and no judgment. Life's too short for that. Pretty toes are a plus. You know what? What's a plus? He is not overly negative and he does use punctuation. And the bar is in hell, but he uses punctuation and he is not just sting on women. That is a plus. Let's look at what this person was. You know what? Stuart, 41, this one is not too bad. This one is not too bad considering all that we have seen so far. I am actually, I don't even actually have anything negative to say about Stuart. He could look up at the picture. I'm sorry, look up for his picture and all of that. But on the sliding scale of what we have seen, Stuart would get a pass from me because this is the next one. Dale, who's 35. Look at this pose. What the heck is this even? Doesn't have anything really on this profile, but he is long term open to short, and that's all we're getting out of Dale, who's 35, with this pose, holding this drink down here. This is Mitra. He says, "Hi, I'm Mitra, and my zodiac is Sagittarius." That is pretty much all Mitra, who's 36 and a Sagittarius, is saying. I don't know what he's communicating with this Heineken cake and why this is his front picture for his dating profile, but you tell me, what is he communicating with? Here's another picture of Mitra, who's 36 and with a zodiac sign of a Sagittarius. These pictures just don't do it for me. He does not look like a pleasant person to swipe on or go on a date with. Okay, you're gonna like about me. I love working out. Staying fit is important. Gym is life. Am foodie guy. Love to eat. Wish I had a job to travel the world eating different foods. Love music. If you lucky, you might hear me sing. Laughter is good for the soul. I like comedy. Who don't like to laugh and be happy? And am also a God fearing person. God comes first at all times. And am anime lover. Did you get all that? Did you get all that? Let's see what this person looks like. This is Omari. Omari does not like commas and periods. Omari loves working out and God and run on sentences. And with that, we are going to end this one. We got Omari in the background flexing his little bicep muscle. And we got Omari who just really likes to type a bunch of words without sentence breaks. And that hurts my soul. And we're going to end it here. Anyways, jump in the comments. Let me know, who was your favorite dating profile? Would you swipe? Would you match? I literally only saw one decent person in the bunch. You guys jump in with your commentary. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.